It looks crazy out here. It looks like we are in Mars. It smells funny. At the beginning when I came out, I was thinking like, when is the fire truck coming? There must be a fire around here. Anyway, check if my camera is recording. It is. Good. And let's go. It doesn't feel normal out here. I took some pictures and film because I thought it was a very strange day. Strange how, well, it's not strange, but I just never thought that the wind can carry out for such a long distance from Canada all the way down here, the smoke. I hope I don't wake up glowing in the dark. It's still a very nice ride. By the way, guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Lenny, and I welcome you to the El Rock channel. Please like and subscribe. I have a Harley-Davidson Iron 1200 Sportster. I'm currently rocking a 2-in-1 Cobra El Diablo exhaust, an Arleness Big Sucker air intake, and a Harley-Davidson Screaming Eagle Pro Tuner, which I have to use to retune my bike. through. Look at this guy getting desperate. He's gonna go all the way around. What about this one? What's she gonna do? She's gonna walk. What is she gonna do? She's gonna tell them. She's gonna be like, hurry up! I got somewhere to go. Weird times we live in these days. Wildfire. Look at all this smoke. I guess I'm just gonna relax here for a while until the drawbridge closed. Oh, it's closing? Is it closing? It's closing already. Nice. This feels like, I don't know, there was like a radionuclear bomb went off and and this is the air and we're all gonna turn into zombies or something. Jesus. Hope I'm wrong.